5, how are you? Today we will take the fourth lesson in geometry, area of rhombus in terms of its diagonal lenses, okay? We know that this is the rhombus, okay, and we know that the rhombus have four sides. The four sides are equal. The four sides in the rhombus are equals, and the rhombus has two diagonals. The rhombus has two diagonals. This is the first diagonal, okay, and this is the second diagonal. This is the second one, and we know that the two diagonals are perpendicular. The two diagonals are perpendicular, okay? Perpendicular means make right angle triangle, okay? This is the rhombus. The rhombus has four sides. The four sides are equal. Four sides are equal, okay? And has two diagonals. The two diagonals are perpendicular but not equals. And bisect each other. This part equals to this part, okay? And this part equals to this part. The two parts are equal and the two red parts are equal, and the two diagonals are perpendicular. Perpendicular means make right angle triangle, and the two diagonal make four right angles triangles, okay? And the two opposite sides are parallel. Each two opposite sides are parallel. This is the rhombus. The rhombus is a quadrilateral shape. Quadrilateral have four sides. The four sides are equal. Has two diagonals, and the two diagonals bisect each other and not equals and perpendicular, okay? Let's see the rules of the area of the rhombus. Area of rhombus equal side length times height. The rhombus like the parallelogram. The rhombus like the parallelogram, and we know that the area of the parallelogram equals what? Okay, let's see the parallelogram. This is a parallelogram, okay? And the rhombus is like it, but in the rhombus all sides are equal. In the parallelogram, not usually the sides are equal. Area of the rhombus equal what? Area of the rhombus equals what? Yes, base times height. Base times height. This is the height. And in the rhombus, the base will be equal the side length. The base will be equal the side length. Why? Because all bases are equal. All bases are equal. So each base can be considered as a side, okay? And the area will be equal side length times height. Side length times height. Why? Because rhombus is like the parallelogram. Rhombus like the parallelogram, but we put side length instead on base, okay? So if he give me the side length and the height, I will use this rule. If he give me the side length and the height, I will use this rule. So I have two rules for area of rhombus. I have two rules for rhombus. The first one is by using the side length and the height. The side length and the height. Area of rhombus equals side length times height. But if you have the diagonals, you will use this rule. The rule will be equal area equal half times d1 times d1 times d2. Why d1 times d2? Because d1 not equal to d2, okay? Not like the square. Do you remember the area of a square? It will be equal half d times d. Why? Because the two diagonal are equal in the square, but in the rhombus the two diagonal aren't equal, so I will call the first one as 1 d1 and the second is d2. Okay, so I have two rules for area of rhombus. The first one according to side length and height, and the second according to the diagonal lengths. Okay, so I will draw the rhombus again. This is a rhombus. Okay, we said that the four sides are equal. So if you want to get the perimeter of the rhombus, it will be equal side length times 4. Yes, it's a side length times 4. And if you want to get the side length, it will be equal perimeter divided 4. It's like what? Yes, it's like the square. It's like the square. Okay, the perimeter equal side length times 4, and the side length equal perimeter divided 4. Okay, and the area equal what? Area according to the side length and height, it will be equal side length times height. And if it according to side length times height, if you have the diagonals, you will use the rule that half times d1 times d2. Okay, and if you want the diagonal length, it will be equal to a, means 2 times a divided the other diagonal. If you want the diagonal 1, so you will divide by the diagonal 2. Okay, this is the rule for diagonal 1 equal to a divided d2, or d2 equal to a divided d1. d2 equal to a divided d1. This is the rule of diagonal. Okay, if you want to get the length of the diagonal, you will multiply area by 2 and divide by the given diagonal. If you want the side length and you have the area and you have the height, you will use this rule. The height equal area divided length, or length equal area divided height. Okay, using the opposite diagram, we know that by using the opposite diagram, we know that area equal what? Equal half times d1 times d2. So area will be equal half times d1 times d2. Okay, and the d1 will be equal a divided half d2, or I can write it as 2a divided d2, or 2a divided d1. Okay, the same rules. Let's see some questions. The area of the rhombus equal what? The area of the rhombus equals what? The area of the rhombus equals the side length times what? Yes, it's times height. Okay, the area of the rhombus, half the product of, what is the meaning of the product? The product is the result of the two multiply. Okay, half times the product of the two diagonal. Two if the length of diagonals of a rhombus are 20 centimeter and 10 centimeter, then its area equal what? If the length of diagonals, so I want the area according to its diagonal, so I will write the rule area equal half d1 times d2. It will be equal half times 20 times 10. If you mix simplify, 20 divided 2 equal 10. 10 times 10 will be equal 100. A rhombus is its side length its side length 12 centimeter and its height 4 centimeter. Then its area equal what? He give me what? He give me the side length and he give me the height. So I will write the rule of area according to its side length times height. 12 times 4, it's 12 times 4. 4 times 2 equals 8. 4 times 2 equal 4. It's 48 centimeter square. Okay, find the area of each of the following rhombuses. The first one, he gave me a rhombus and he bisected the two diagonals and gave me the half of the first diagonal is 6 and the half of the second diagonal is 8, and he wants the area. So as the first, I want get the diagonal 1 and diagonal 2. Okay, I want diagonal 1 and diagonal 2. Diagonal 1 will be equal 6 times 2 because the two diagonal bisect each other, 12 centimeter, and the second 8 times 2 equals 16 centimeter. Then I will write the rule of area equal half times d1 times d2. It will be equal half times 12 times 16. You can use your calculator and get the result. Eight times 2 equals 16, 6 and carry 1, 2 times 1 equals 8 times 1 equals 8, and 1, 9. 96 its area, so I will write centimeter square. Okay, the next one, he give me the side length equal 6 centimeter and he give me the height. If you see this sign, it means perpendicular, and perpendicular means altitude means height. So I will use area equal side length times height. So area will be equal 6 centimeter times 3 centimeter equal 18 centimeter square because it's area. In here he give me what? Again he give me the side length and give me the height. If you see the perpendicular sign, it means the height. So I will use the same rule, this rule, okay? This rule again, side length times height. So area will be equal side length times height. Area equal 6 times 12. It will be equal 6 times 2 equals 12. 2 carry 1. 6 times 1 6 and 1 7, 72 centimeter square. Okay, the next one. The length of the diagonals of a rhombus are 24 centimeter and 10. Calculate its area. He want what? He want the area according to what? According to its diagonals or its height and side length. He gave me the diagonals of rhombus 24 and 10. So I will write the rule of diagonal. Area equal half times d1 times d2. It will be equal half times 24 times 10. It will be equal 120 centimeter square. Okay. Number 4. The length of the diagonal of a rhombus are 12 centimeter. The length of the diagonal of a rhombus are 12 and 16 centimeter, and its height is 9.6. Find its side length. Find its side length. Okay, I will write what he wants the side length. So I will write the rule of side length. Side length equal what? Side length equal, I know that the side length equal per meter divided 4. I have in here, I have the perimeter. The length of diagonals of a rhombus are 12 centimeter and 16 centimeter. And its height is 9.6. Oh, he gave me the height. So there is another rule for the side length. Side length equal area divided height. Area divided height. I have the height. Yes. I have the area. No, I didn't have the area. So at the first I must get the area. How can I get the area? He gave me the two diagonals, so it's easy to get the area. Area equal half d1 times d2. Area equal half times 12 times 16. So area will be equal half with 12 equals 6. 6 times 6, 36. 6 and carry 3. 6 times 1 equals 6 and 3 equal 9. It's 96. Area will be equal 96 centimeter square. And he wants the height. So I will write the rule of height. Okay, I will write the rule of side length. Side length equal area 96 divided height equal 9.6. It will be equal what? By using your calculator, it will be equal 10 centimeter. So the side length will be equal 10. Again, he gave me the two diagonals of a rhombus and the height of a rhombus and want the side length. I have two rules for side length. Side length equal perimeter divided 4 or side length equal area divided height. In here I didn't have the perimeter, so I will use this rule, area divided height. Yes, I have the height, but I didn't have the area. But I can get the area. Why? Because he gave me the two diagonals of the rhombus. I will use them to get the area. Area equal d1 half d1 times d2. area will be equal 96 centimeter square. So the side length will be equal area divided height. Area divided height equal 10 centimeter. Okay. Number 5. The side length of a rhombus is 5 centimeter. The side length of rhombus is 5 centimeter. Its height is 4.8. Its height is 4.8. Side length is 5. Height is 4.8. This is side length and this is the height. And the length of one of its diagonal is 6. One of its diagonal is 6. It may be D1. Calculate the length of other diagonal. Calculate the length of other diagonal. So I will write the rule of the diagonal. D2 equal 2A divided D1. But I didn't have the area, but I can get it. Okay, I can. How I get it? He gave me the side length and the height, so I will write the rule of area. Area equal side length times height. It will be equal 5 times 4.8. Okay, by using your calculator you will get what? 5 times 8 equal 40, 0 and carry 4. 5 times 4 equal 20 and 4 24. And put point after one digit. Okay, this is a point, put it after one digit, so the result will be 24 centimeter square. This is the area, but I want the diameter, so I will write the rule of diameter. 2A divided D. So D2 will be equal 2 times 24 divided D1 equal what? Yes, D1 equal 6. I will make simplify or make it by using your calculator. 6 divided 6 equal 1. 24 divided 6 equals 4. 2 times 4 equal 8. Okay. Equal 8 centimeter. So the two diagonals are 8 centimeter and 6 centimeter. Let's see the last one. The last one, he gave me a rectangle and a rhombus. Rectangle and a rhombus. Rectangle A, B, C, D and a rhombus A, F, D, E. A, F, D, E. Okay, and he want what? Okay, let's read. In the figure opposite, area of the rectangle ABCD equals 144 centimeter square. Area of rectangle equal 144 centimeter square. If AB equal 8 centimeter, AB, what is AB? Yes, AB is the width. Calculate the area of the rhombus. Calculate the area of the rhombus. Area of the rhombus by what? By what? He gave me the two diagonals. The two diagonal are AD and EF. So I want the lengths of two diagonal to get the area of the rhombus. Start with what? Start with the rectangle. He gave me two informations about the rectangle. He gave me the area 144 and the width. So I can get what? Yes, excellent. I can get the length. Length equal area divided width. Okay, length will be equal 144 divided 8. It will be equal what? Yes, by using your calculator, 144 divided 8 equal 18 centimeter. It's the length. It's the length. Okay, so the length BC equal 18 and AD equal BC. Why? H2 opposite side are equal in length, so it's 18 and AD also 18 centimeter. So I can call the AD as D1. D1 equal 18. Where is D2? D2 is EF. EF. Okay, D2 is E and F. EF. I have FM. Why, miss? I have FM. Yes, I have FM. AB equal MF. AB equal MF. So MF equal 8 centimeter like AB. And I know that the two diagonals bisect each other. So its part equal 8 and its part also equal 8 centimeter. So EF is the diagonal 2. Diagonal 2 equal 8 plus 8. 8 plus 8 equals 16 centimeter. So now I can get the area of the rhombus. I can get the area of the rhombus. How I can get the area of the rhombus? I can get the area of the rhombus by writing the rule. Area equal half times D1 times D2. It will be equal half times D1 equal what? Equal 18 times 16, right? It will be equal 144 centimeter square. That's all for today. Okay, and this is the last question. Okay, we can say it again. He gave me rectangle and rhombus, and give me the width of rectangle and the area of rectangle. From the width and the area I can get the length. Why we get the length? Because the length of rectangle equals the diameter of the rhombus. The length of rectangle equals the diameter of the rhombus. So the length of rectangle equal area divided width. Area divided width equal 18 centimeter. So AD is diameter 1 equal 80. And I have a part of diameter 2. Diameter 2 is EF, and I have a part of it. A part of it equal 8 centimeter. And I know that the two diagonals bisect each other, so the whole diameter 2 equal 16 centimeter. So write the rule. Area equal half D1 times D2. It will be equal half times 18 times 16. You will get 144. Thank you, Junior 5. See you in the next video. Goodbye.